Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Gina, and before you I have got the August limited edition kit from my creative scrapbook. I do apologize, I've had this kit a few days, but my husband and I have been working on a landscaping project and it takes up just about all of our free time. But I cut my lunch short because I wanted to check out what was inside this month's kit. So let's take a look. All right. Well, this is a little different. We haven't gotten a spray in quite a while. This is a Color Bloom 2 limited edition spring dandelion fine shimmer spray. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so here we are with our 3 packs of Prima flowers. Oh, and one's daisies. That's good. I don't think I have any daisies, so that's really awesome. Love the flowers. And we have some stickers, little alphabet glitter stickers from Remarks. Yay, stamps. I love stamps. Okay, pink paisley again and again. Oh, those are cute. Note to self, love, today is a very good day. Weekend vibes, beauty. All right, I like that. I don't have that yet. And here is a pack of ephemera, which we will check out in more detail in just a few minutes. And here we have a stencil. Now, do we have this one? You know what? Let me check. I do. I already have this one. So, oh, hold on. Bendy. Shh. Now you hush. Shh. My dog saw another dog walking by. Hush. Okay, yes, I do already have this one. It must have come in a recent kit. So I'm going to put this one away to keep safe as a giveaway. All right. Now let's look at the papers. And they look really, really nice. Let's see. Glory of the Garden flower clippings. Huh? Isn't that cute? Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. I really am liking these colors and the whole vibe I really like. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. A little mishmash page. Pretty, pretty. Oh, isn't that pretty? Let's see. Oh, oh wow. Very nice. Very summery. Very summery color scheme we have going here. Let's see. Isn't that pretty? Ooh. Oh. It has a little bird bath scene with a chair. Oh, that's nice. Something to think about in our landscape project. Actually, might take a note from that. Oh, that's nice. I'm loving the green. Very pretty. Oh, stripes. Wow. Oh, a bunch of gates, fences into the garden. Isn't that pretty? Something about the green. All the pages that have this green, I just really, really like. Oh, funny. The very next one has the green, but it has all these flowers on it, which are nice too, but still, out of all the green pages, I have to admit that's probably my least favorite, but it's still nice. Okay, it's a bright yellow. Here's another yellow. Very summery. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Look at that. Very nice. Aw, it's a fountain. Very pretty papers. Yay, more green. I just love the green. Me and my earth tones. All right. Very, very pretty papers. Now let's see. Let's take a look at our ephemera. Let's see what we've got in here. Let's see. Come on out. Let's take a look at you. Let's take a look. Now, if you're new to my channel, you know I take and add close-up pictures of the kit at the very end of my videos. And actually, I usually have close-up pictures of my projects or whatever I've done in that video. So always stay to the end if you've not stayed to the end before, and you get a nice close-up view of whatever I've made or whatever it is that my video is about that day. So I do hope you stay tuned for that. Okay. There's that fountain I like. And a fence. All right, have some kind of bigger pieces. And some smaller ones too. It's funny, this has like, you know, it leaves the space. You know, I'm sure there's a term for that, but I don't know what it is, the space that they've left around the image. But it's not as noticeable to me when it's not bright white. See, so that doesn't bother me. So, and even this isn't bad because it still kind of goes with the image. But it's just that stark white against the image that just, I don't know, it makes it super noticeable to me, and I always have to ink around it or try to trim around it closer. But yeah, that doesn't bother me at all. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Chair. A couple of little banners. Homegrown. Another little fence. And we have some butterflies. Yay, butterflies. Okay. So that's our ephemera kit. I've packed up my ephemera, and let's do our quick review of what we have. Lots of pretty summery papers. We have stamps, which are very cute. We have our glitter alphabet stickers. We have our 3 packs of Prima flowers. We have this color bloom, it's called Spring Dandelion. I can't remember if I said that before. Color Bloom 2, limited edition, fine shimmer spray. Now this comes as a powder, just so you know. You have to add water to it for actually to spray. You just get the powder. Okay, and our ephemera pack. All right, there you go. That is the August limited edition kit from my Creative Scrapbook. I do hope you enjoyed that. And take a look at my channel. I would appreciate it. There might be other things that you're interested in. And if you like this video, give me that thumbs up. It makes a big difference to YouTube creators when you have that interaction, whether it's giving a thumbs up or a thumbs down. That counts also. Of course, we all would prefer the thumbs up, but you do what you feel like you need to. Or if you leave a comment, any kind of interaction, it really tells YouTube that you're interested in the content. So we really appreciate that. And that's going to be it for this one. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.